Hi, I'm Max, and I'm part of the team here at Verato. At Verato, we're building an integrated platform to protect people and property in a privacy-sensitive way. An important part of that is helping organizations streamline investigations with our unified management platform, Verato Command. Incident management is a tool in Verato Command that helps customers consolidate relevant footage, simplify reporting, and ultimately reduce investigation time. Let me show you how. Let's say that we're investigating a case of package theft. From the incidents page in Command, we can quickly create a new incident and add a description. This will be our digital repository for all incident-related files. Now we can start adding relevant footage from our archives. We can also create an incident directly from the archives page. Within an incident, we can see all our relevant footage in chronological order and add notes to each clip. Now that we've consolidated all the relevant assets into the incident, we can share it with other people to view or collaborate. Instead of digging through a sea of archives, anyone can quickly get up to speed by reviewing the footage and notes in one place. Taking this a step further, we can review the clips as a cohesive narrative, allowing us to seamlessly replay the events that took place during the incident in chronological order. We can also harness the power of people and vehicle analytics to speed up investigations. In the People and Vehicles tabs within the incident, we can find images of all people and vehicles detected within our clips in one place. Now we can quickly identify the individuals involved. We know it's important for organizations to have a record of exactly who has accessed or modified the incident. Each incident contains a comprehensive audit log of views, edits, and downloads, so that organizations have full visibility into user actions. Lastly, incident management helps with reporting and retention. In just a few clicks, we can package and download all relevant files and information into a zip folder for record keeping or sharing with external personnel like law enforcement or insurance providers. Verato can even generate a detailed report of the incident, saving time on manual paperwork. After we're done with the investigation, we can close the incident and refer back to it at any time from the incidents page. All incidents and their contents are retained indefinitely. Incident management in Command simplifies the gathering, organizing, sharing, and retention of incident-related assets. This enables organizations to conduct investigations faster and improve record keeping of the findings. To learn more, sign up for a personalized demo today.